iPhone 12 Pro Max. The biggest iPhone so far.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions. They blocking your vision, but no, you can't listen. That shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're driven.
So this is what's inside the camera. It has wider vision, obviously. Let's start with the panorama. Panorama has a maximum of 2.5 magnifying times and a minimum of 0.5 magnifying times. The portrait. In other iPhones, they don't have the zooming in and the zooming out feature, but fortunately, iPhone 12 Pro Max has. And these are the kinds of light that they have. The studio light, the contour light, the stage light mono, and the high key light mono. Back to the zooming in and out feature, the minimum is a 1 time magnifying times and maximum of 2.5 magnifying times. The normal photo. Can you guess of what's the maximum magnifying times in this feature? It's not 2.5, it's not 3.5, 4, 5, 6, 10, but 12 maximum magnifying times. Amazing, isn't it? The video. This is one of my most favorite and most used tool in this iPhone. Aside from its good quality, it also has the maximum of 7 magnifying times. And lastly, the slow-mo and the time-lapse. iPhone 12 Pro Max battery life is the best battery for me so far. I last charged it yesterday, and see, I still have 69% of battery. And of course, the speakers. I love it. I'm Ira. I love to dance. I love to sing. I love dressing up and pretend like a model. I love makeups. I love to cook. I love living my life to the fullest. And most of all, I love to laugh a lot. Welcome to my life. Hi everyone! So today we will be unboxing this iPhone, which is a present from my husband. Last time we couldn't unbox this one because aside from I was busy, I had no idea also of how to set this up. So yeah, let's unbox this one, set this up, and then let's do some camera testing for later. So let's go! This is the first time that I will be holding it in my hand. And this is also the first time that I am seeing iPhone 12. This is the first time that I'll be seeing an iPhone 12 really in front of me.
So proper box, huh?
Yeah, the box is so proper and hard box. This is so big! Wow, I love the color. Look at this. The side is shiny gold. Oh my god, it's so shiny, shimmering, splendid. And they also have like this. They have labels for these buttons. Yeah. This is so big and heavy. The side is color gold. Yeah, but the back part is not gold. It's something like off-white, but having a bit of gold color reflection, which is, I think, good for girls. Look at this.
No, look your face.
Let me just show you the difference. So this is the iPhone SE that I'm always using, and look at that. See the difference? I think I have a lot of adjustments to do because my hands are very small and iPhone 12 Pro Max is bigger than my usual, and yeah, bigger than my usual phone. So yeah.
So how about the camera size? Oh? Very different.
Yeah, camera too. This has 3 cameras. So let's remove the seal. Whoa! Can you hear that sound?
So
Oh, nice. This is very, very big.
mirror.
Yeah, I can see myself too. This is very shiny. Yeah, and look at this one. This is iPhone 10. This is my husband's phone, and look at that. This is also like iPhone 12 Pro Max is also bigger than the iPhone 10. iPhone 12 Pro Max is the biggest iPhone Apple ever had, and look at this. Look at the shape on the sides. iPhone 12 Pro Max has the same side shape with the SE. It's something like a square type, but iPhone 10 is a round type. So I think I feel better with this shape than this one. So this is actually a very good choice. Yeah, and the color, very girly. Yes, I love it. This is how it looks like. Yeah. And these are what's in the box aside from the phone itself. These are, oh my god, these are what's in the box. They have the pin, the seal, yeah, and this one, the Type-C cord for charging.
Type-C right now.
Yeah, only this. They don't have, as usual, when I bought my iPhone SE before, iPhone 4 SE, it was, the accessories included are the earphones, the charger, the cube, the seal, the pin. But this time, they don't have the earphones and the cube. Let's go with the setting up. Let's go, go, go. There's so much fingerprint.
This is gold too.
Oh yeah. There it goes. Hola. So we're done setting up our iPhone 12 Pro Max. So it's time to test the very much controversial camera of iPhone 12 Pro Max. See you later on the camera testing. I used iPhone 10 and 12 Pro Max in this. This was taken inside the shopping streets where there are less lights on a daytime.
And how careless we could be.
And this was taken outside the shopping street where there are a lot of natural lights on a daytime.
We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never run. We hook up in my car.
And this was taken obviously at night time on our veranda.
Our guards, think with our hearts, stare.
Let's take a look at these photos taken by both phones.
Way too much fun out in the sun. Hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the light.
This was inside our bedroom on nighttime.
Now I remember everything.
And the following are just some of my favorite photos taken by my iPhone 12 Pro Max.
You and me. And how careless we.
It's too late now. I remember everything. everything
How about you? Do you like it too?
we could be, and how careless we could be.